Hello guys, today I'm going to review this fantastic new microphone from Maono. It's called the AU PM421, which is special about this one. It has a gain knob and a mute function. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and then a test. Okay, here we have it. Let's do the unboxing and take a look inside. And like all the other Maono mics I have tested, it comes with this sponge, wind noise suppression or something, and it has the standard pop filter. Oops. And a manual, which by the way is really good, and this time it's a kind of book like manual, not just a folder. I recommend you to read it, just to be sure. Standard shock mount with the suspension. And table clamp, which allows teak tables. Cable with the silica gel. This is the same high-end cable as on the other Maono microphones. Let's see how the length of the cable is. Let's make a quick one. Yes, it's over 2 meters, that's for sure. I would say it's close to 2.5 meters. And then you have these velcros to attaching the cables to the boom arm. This is new. They have got the Maono name on the velcro. And there are 2 velcro strips, if I manage to open them. Here we go. And then the boom arm, that is exactly the same as the other microphone as well. Yes, nice piece of metal, very light, made from, I guess, aluminium. And then the main piece, the microphone. There also has a small card inside, which, yeah, if you need help and if you're happy. The microphone is really nice. It has, like I told you, this gain button and a touch mute. And as usual, I like to see what's inside, so we're removing the button. It's really tight. It can only be put on one way, so no problem. And remove that, and then slide this off, and here you can see a spring. This spring is some capacitive touch function on this mute thing. It has something inside, I don't know what it is. That touching the spring. Circuit board is like another Maono mic made of high quality fiberglass. Look at that nice little microprocessor. Fantastic. I like these Maono things. They do it real good. Yep. Not so much to tell about that one. Then it also has this notch, which ensure you are putting it back the right way. Now it's exciting to see if it's working afterwards, because I have not tested this one yet. So here we go. And the knob, like I told you, it only goes in one way. So this way it is. Here we are. Nice feature. And touch. Okay, let's mount it all together and see how it looks. Let's start with the boom arm. And the arm fits just straight into the hole, and you tighten the screw on the back, and then you have this one, which is also adjustable by a thumb screw like this, so you can flex it. Yeah, you will turn it around when you insert it on this one. Let me show you that. And, and then the rotation is inside here. You can rotate it how many times you like, no problem. So, and then the microphone only works from the front, so of course you need this one to point at your mouth. This one, no good. So I will put it like this. It's better to do it like this so you can see it, guys. And if you turn this a little more. And the arm is like suspended on the springs, but you also can tighten every screw so it stays in place firmly. So, there you have it. Very nice microphone. I like this one. Looks very good. Let's put on this wind muff. It goes. It's a little tight. I guess it's from the package, long way from China over to Norway. Here it is. Very nicely did. And then you have the pop filter, which has this clamp that fits excellently onto the arm because of this angle inside here. Let's see if I manage to do this. Yes. Oh, feels very solid, very nice. And then you have the pop filter in front of the microphone like this. Fantastic. And all this for only 50 euros or something like that. I will provide links for them below so you can click and take a look closer for yourselves. Amazing. The cable has two different plugs. One for the microphone itself. There we have it. It's a USB type B, and then you have the stock USB which goes into your computer. It also has this noise suppression, so there will be no noise on it. But anyway, the sound is digital all the way to the computer, so there should be no problem. Yes, this one only goes in one way. And there we go. Then we can put this into the computer and see what's happened. Okay, then we put in the plug in the computer and watch down here. Okay, the computer found it straight away. Configuring unit. And here we go, ready to use. Fantastic, everything was working like it's supposed to. Then we are opening my audio program, which is called Vavosaurus. Okay, we're looking up here and down here, and when we inserted the microphone, the computer will recognize it, and here we go. USB microphone, USB microphone. If I remove it, they're gone. So this is working like it's supposed to. Okay, now we are recording the sound from the microphone to my computer, and I will put it on the clip later. Now let's test the gain. The gain is now set to, here is set, gain is down to absolute minimum. And I will put it up to about 50% here, and then we go to maximum over here. Now it's the maximum gain. I'm speaking to the side of the microphone, not in front of it. So still it works very well. I see it here on the view meters that it goes very high. So I can turn it down to about half and then continue down to the lowest position, very low. And up to maximum again. And then let's test this mute button. If you touch it with your finger, it should, I can't see it really, it is blue, and when you touch it, it goes red. And it's back to blue, and you will hear everything, of course. So, touch, back on. Fantastic. That was all for this time. Fantastic microphone. Highly recommended from my side. I like the gain and the mute function as well. So check out the links below to read the more technical data about it and if you like to buy one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye.